This IITian's rupees 11 yoga ritual has built a daily health habit for over 1 crore people in a nation facing a silent health epidemic. Did you know that non-communicable diseases like heart diseases and diabetes account for 71% of all deaths in India? About 77 million adults live with type 2 diabetes in India. The root cause? Often our lifestyle. Physical inactivity is a pandemic in its own right, with extensive health and economic consequences. As Padma Bhushan Dr. Devi Shetty once said, investing in preventive healthcare measures isn't just a choice, it's a necessity that will drastically reduce our future disease burdens. In a nation of 1.4 billion, where lifestyle diseases are projected to cost our economy a staggering $4.58 trillion by 2030, this isn't just a policy suggestion, it's our only viable future. So how do you do this? Not just with pills, but with habits. For 1.2 crore people, the answer is already here. Thanks to Saurabh, who dared to ask, what if health wasn't hard? A train journey led him to a free meditation workshop. He walked in burnt out from long, stressful work days. 5 days later, he walked out feeling healthier, better, and with a whole new perspective. The question he then asked himself became his life's mission.
We all know what to do, but why don't we do it? We are drowning in health information but starved of health transformation.
Saurabh had found his innovation, making fitness a habit.
During COVID times, my mom asked me that can I teach her some asanas for her knee pain, and I asked her to join my class. And I started simplifying terms so that she could understand it very well, and that was followed by other moms joining the class too. So it started with my mom and soon became a class where millions became regular.
Instead of building an app for habit, Saurabh chose platforms India already lived on, WhatsApp and YouTube. His system was elegantly simple. A gentle WhatsApp reminder, a single tap on a personalized link, and you were in a live global classroom. He used personalized nudges and data to foster consistency. The result? A staggering reach of 6 lakh people every single day, a scale nearly 15,000 times greater than a traditional class.
मैंने अभी 147 डेज़ किए हैं और मुझे बेनिफिट ये हुआ है कि PCOS का जो प्रॉब्लम था वो मेरा क्लियर है.
From that first class of 3, a revolution exploded. Habit spread from a single room to 1.2 crore learners across 169 countries. It set 6 world records. It built a community where a 3-year-old and an 80-year-old could share the same digital map. And through it all for 5 years, Habit hasn't missed a single day. Not one. Because Saurabh believes health isn't an event, it's a non-negotiable daily commitment. So what does Naya Bharat built on this vision actually look like? Imagine a future where preventive care practiced daily in our homes becomes the bedrock of a stronger nation, unburdening our hospitals and empowering our people. Habit is building that foundation, one daily habit at a time. And this brings us to the full circle moment back to Saurabh himself. The man who once struggled with his health now spends his mornings guiding millions through the power of breath.
I truly believe that health should not be hard at all. It should be easy, consistent, and literally for everyone.
Through Habit, Saurabh has not just built a platform, he has built the very solution he was searching for on that train years ago. This is the Naya Bharat, where Nai Soch empowers every Indian to write their own story of health. Kalari Capital, celebrating uncommon stories of common people. Kalari Capital, Nai Soch, Naya Bharat, celebrating 20 years of venture investing committed to building a product nation.